Hey guys, so it's a crazy week for me this week. So I decided I'm going to do a Q&A video, and it's so beautiful because the Q&A was actually hosted by my Lyft driver. He asked me the most incredible questions. This beautiful, deep 23-year-old young man who was so amazing. He's got the best energy in the world, and he said, what do you do? So I started telling him about my channel, about my book, about what I teach, and he's so incredible. He starts asking me questions. And so I'm going to insert in my answers. We actually recorded it in the car. And it's what I love about it is that he was asking me these questions that I really want people to be asking at the at any stage of their life, but certainly at 23. Beautiful questions. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert the answers that I recorded in the Lyft. It's such a sweet video, and I really wanted to share it with you. Okay. Hey you guys, so this is so amazing. I'm going to an appointment and I'm driving in a Lyft, and I intended for the most amazing Lyft driver, and I got Jamarr, who is literally, say hi to my
Hey, how y'all doing?
besides being beautiful, is such amazing energy. And so we start talking. I told him what I did, and so he told me what his passion is, which is songwriting, and we just started talking. So we're going to record some of our conversation. Diaries in a Lyft. How's that?
I like that.
Okay, so you asked, what did you ask? What was the first thing you asked me?
All right, Dr. Elizabeth. What keeps you motivated?
Okay, that's the cameraman. See, we're gonna get so big, we're gonna have a 3-camera shoot in the car. Okay, so I told you, well, that's an amazing question. So what keeps me motivated? It's like, the word motivation's okay, but really what it is you have to find your passion, and then you have to create and make it a habit, which then turns into a lifestyle. So even on the days when you're like, oh damn, I don't want to drive the Lyft to pay my bills, or I don't want to sit down today and write, I just want to chill, you'll be like, no, my passion is this, my goal is this, and your habit has gotten so strong that you just do it. Like, I mean, I go to the gym 7 days a week. There are days I love going to the gym, and then there's days where I'm like, oh man, I need more energy. And so, but I show up anyway. And then what happens, in my book, I talk about a thing called the updraft factor. And the updraft factor is when 2 or more people come together. I say in the mathematics of humanity, 1 + 1 doesn't equal 2, it equals infinity. Like our energy right now, both of us have great energy, but combination, kaboom,
Right.
way more, exponentially better.
Right.
So that's the updraft factor. So now you get 10 high vibe people or 20 high vibe people, and it elevates it even more. Cool?
Yeah.
Okay, now I have to ask me another question. Now, I'm gonna go in the, let's see if I can get you in the rearview mirror.
Okay, cool,
Okay.
cool.
I mean,
How do you stay away from negative energy?
So he asked me, how do you stay away from negative energy? Another great question. See, you are deep. You are deep, my new friend. Okay, so we are all frequency, right? Your energy. As beautiful as you are physically, we're not connecting because you're physically beautiful. I can appreciate that in you, but that's not what you're bringing to the table in this ride, is it? At all. And so it's your energy. We're all energy. Energy vibrates at a certain frequency. High energy, beautiful energy, love, joy, compassion, all those frequencies, those energetic frequencies, they vibe at a very high frequency. Low vibes, jealousy, prejudice, anger, hatred, all of those vibe at a very low frequency. And so your task is to stay at a high frequency and then draw more of that to you. And so if you're around negative energy, all you have to say is, all of a sudden, I mean, literally it can be as simple as, so great to see you. Oops, gotta go. Like that. Like, I gotta roll right now. And so if you do that, what ends up happening is that the higher you keep your frequency, the more you bring that to you.
Right, okay.
Cool?
Nice.
Okay. Is there anything else I can say about that? Yes, holding your frequency too. You have to hold the high vibe frequency. That's really important. We do not ever have to tolerate negative energy in our space. always remove yourself from a vibrational frequency that doesn't match your vibrational frequency. Otherwise, it will pull you down. You can love them and bless them from afar, but do not put yourself in a place where you're dealing with people of negative energy. Never worth it, never works. You can't change them, like I said, until they want to change. Question.
What type of food is best for energy?
Okay. I love that he asked this question. we are so simpatico, it's amazing. We've literally been talking the whole drive. Okay. You want to give foods that are, think of in terms of what foods have the most light force energy in them, like plants. Because they've been absorbing all the energy from Mother Earth and up the roots, and they've been absorbing all the energy from Father Sky and when they're sitting on the tree. And so all fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. And I would say start, if you haven't already, give up junk food first, because you can eat whatever you want, can't you? And now that you don't gain a pound. You can eat whatever you want. And so for you, it's a matter of give up the in and out as much as possible, because it doesn't make you feel good, does it? It doesn't give you energy. Yeah. It's sluggish, and so even though your body can handle it because it's nice and lean and you're only 23, you don't want to do it because it doesn't make you feel good. Give up milk and give up especially meat as much as possible, and then put as much superfood smoothies. I have them on my YouTube channel. I have recipes for superfood smoothies, and then like juices, but raw green juices. You take and you juice kale and spinach and and then put an apple in there, because you're not trying to lose weight. You can put whatever fruits you want in there as well, because it's you can drink a juice or a smoothie so much more than you could eat all that stuff. Eat more salads, just more green stuff.
Right, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, definitely. Do you believe people can change?
Absolutely. People can 1,000% change, but only if they want to change. We can't change them, and we can't put our expectations of what we want them to be. We have to love them for who they are if we want them in our life, and if their energy is not that positive and not that uplifting and actually is more like a energy vampire, we have to love them and bless them from afar until they can raise their frequency to be able to be and live in our world. But yes, people can change. The other thing we can do is we can hold the vibrational frequency, the intention for them to wake up. I'm telling you guys, I'm doing a whole video on that. That is so powerful, and it really, really works. All right, my beloveds, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's such a beautiful setting. I hope you enjoyed what I said. I hope you enjoyed my beautiful new friend, Jamarr. We had the best conversation.
Definitely.
Deep. This beautiful brother asked me so many beautiful questions. Check this guy out. He is beautiful, powerful, and you're going to do great things in the world, my friend.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for taking good care of me.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
I hate you guys. Ciao.
Bye. You guys have a good day.
And I will see you guys next time. For those of you in the States, I hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving weekend. I love you guys tons, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.